I have an update on the mouse situation. The mouse in the house is gone. His last meal was Velveeta. He chose Velveeta over cheddar cheese and peanut butter. Just a fancy little guy. So if you've watched the last 2 episodes, you know I've been dealing with the mouse in the house, just tearing things up, just being an absolute chaos machine, keeping me from sleeping, just mayhem. So this is a final rest in peace to Mouse Van Nostren. Sleep well, Prince. So good morning from camp. We are at Spirit Lake, which has been beautiful. Great campsite. Nobody else here, just us. The game plan for this episode and for the weekend is to explore Sioux Falls and the surrounding area. There's 2 state parks that I'm gonna go visit. I'm camping at one of them, and just supposed to have a lot of weird rock formations that I wanna see. And mostly I just wanna explore the town. I've never been to the town. I've heard good things, I've heard bad things. So it's time to get our own opinions on the place. But first I gotta get some coffee, and I want some breakfast. I'm starving. We can't check into our campground until 4 o'clock. It's still early, so we've got time to kill. And where we're going is only about an hour and a half away. That has to be one of the shortest drives on our entire trip, an hour and a half. It's great. Little buddy, in your cute little bandana, I'm going to have breakfast without you. Don't get mad. Don't turn away from me. I see that. I'll bring you something, but I gotta go eat. I'm so hungry. Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's massive.
Yes.
Thank you. Little buddy, I told you I'd bring you something. Are you hungry? Chicken! Sausage gravy! Yeah, get it, buddy. Good job, little dude. You crushed that. Okay, moving on to our first stop of the day, which is gonna be in South Dakota. I'm excited and full. Toast on Hill. If you're ever in Spirit Lake, Iowa, I'm sure it's a major destination. Toast on Hill, pretty good. Welcome, friends, to South Dakota. Not too bad of a drive, definitely windy, but our first stop in our South Dakota adventures is a place called Good Earth State Park. And I'm pretty excited to tell you about it. It's got some really interesting history. But first and foremost, you know how we roll. Visitor Center. Okay, I have information, I have a map, I have some trails that we're gonna go hit. So let's go get little buddy and go on the trails, and I'll tell you about this place. All right, little buddy, you ready to go for some hikes? All right. So I wanted to come to this park and experience it because of the history. This is the oldest long-term human habitat in the United States. People have lived here actively since the 1300s. And of course, as soon as we get to somewhere significant, he's got to make his significant mark. At any point from the 1300s to the 1600s, there was anywhere from 6,000 to 10,000 people that lived here. It was a trading post for multiple different tribes of Native Americans. Used to be buffalo, like out in these grasslands, and elk that they would hunt. South Dakota is just so special to me. It's like one of the states where I feel like earthed. It's hard to describe. I just feel so grounded. It's just, I don't know, man, something about the lands. It's a special state. It really is. If you've been around the channel for a while, you know I go to some pretty epic places, do some pretty incredible hikes, see some amazing things. But just know that about 90% of those times, I'm holding a bag of poop. So I didn't get a sticker. The only sticker they had was bumper sticker. But I did get an annual pass for state parks in South Dakota. That should give you a hint on where we're going for the next few episodes. Stop number 2 of the day. Shut up, bird. Welcome to Sioux Falls, the city of Sioux Falls. And also, welcome to the falls of Sioux Falls. Look at this. Cities and towns that have rivers that run through them are my favorite. They're always my favorite. So I have some high expectations about this city, even though I usually hate cities. But look how pretty that is. All right, let's go check out the park. This is what's called Falls Park. Very original name, I know. What are you doing with your bandana? I don't see any like keep off rock signs or anything like that. It's like you can just walk on all this. How cool is this? Where you going, buddy? That's some good grass. Come on. Good boy. This is so rad. Uh-oh. We have a standoff. Buddy, I wouldn't mess with him. He's got a weird tongue. What a cool place. This was a mill from the 1880s that burned down in the 1950s. It's just so cool to see its guts still here. I love towns that keep their past alive like this. That's so rad. How's that for a view? Look at that. It's the Big Sioux River, in case you were curious. And of course we have a bridge. Let's see how he does. Any panic attacks? And how about these clouds? Really making these photos pop. Whoa. He's developed his dad's fear of heights, I'm afraid. You're doing good, buddy. Look at that. You poor thing. Okay, we can go back. We can go back. What? What? Scaredy cat. Where are you taking me? What? Where are you taking me? Take me somewhere. Let's go. Well, that's going to do it for our downtown portion of the day. We're actually going to come back tomorrow and do a lot more exploring downtown. It's just hot. It's 90 degrees now. It's 89.4 degrees outside. Tomorrow's supposed to be 65 and sunny. The perfect weather to go exploring downtown. So that's tomorrow. So I think we're gonna go to our second state park where we're actually camping. And I wanna explore the area because it's supposed to be really cool rock formations, kind of like this, but maybe better. I don't know, let's go see. We have made it to camp. It's not much, but it's a big campsite. Tent site, so no electricity or water or anything, it's fine. We got toilets, that's where I can go poop. Let's see what Buddy thinks. Come here, dude. Come on, let's go check it out. It's our home for 3 days. We might have cliffs. We might have to be careful. Oh, yes, there are cliffs. Wyatt, come here. Oh, there's stairs. Let's go explore, buddy. Oh, sick. This is right off my campsite? What? What? Strong start, right, dude? Oh, it's so hot. Dude, look at this. He's already in. Are you kidding me? Look at all this. Welcome to Palisades State Park. What do you think, dude? I had to come check out the views from this bridge that you can see from our campsite. Look at this. Oh, buddy. How's he doing? Fear of heights. But look at this. Wow. What a gamble. I didn't know anything about this park. But I wanted to be close to Sioux Falls because I wanted to explore Sioux Falls, which we're going to do in the morning, but I didn't want to stay in Sioux Falls. I hate staying in towns and cities. And this is about 30 minutes away. That's our campsite. Those are the cliffs I was talking about. Cliffs, buddy. You can't be anywhere near them. And guess what they just turned on today? That's right, the water. They're showers. You know who's taking a shower tonight? this guy. Morning from camp at Palisades State Park. And the cool thing about this campsite, there is my campsite. I love campsites where you can get right to the trails straight from your campground or campsite. And this trail is right here. These trails go to every trail in the park, which is nice. The bad thing is, everybody walks by here, by my campsite. Everybody walks by my campsite. So that kind of sucks, because he just barks. You know, typical dog. But this is called the South Wall Trail, so I guess it leads to, the walls of these palisades. So let's go check it out, see if it's pretty. This is so rad. Look at that, right, dude? So all along this walk, we have these walls, these palisades, and that. Right? What a surprise, Palisades State Park. That better not be poop. Nope. He is the king of rolling in smelly stuff. Good boy, you're doing a good job. Good boy. So it's a big loop. And so I guess now we get the perspective from the top. It's a good start to the day. Haven't even had coffee yet. And that is how every morning should start. Quick little 1 mile loop in nature. Start the day. I should probably brush my teeth now. All right, I'll get back to you on the next adventure. Welcome to Downtown Sioux Falls. I know I don't usually do a lot of urban exploring, but we're gonna explore the city today. So some fun facts, Sioux City is actually the largest city in the state of South Dakota, 200,000 people. It also contains 1/5 of all US banking assets. That's weird and interesting. Has to be tax loopholes. And we're gonna learn some more facts along the way today. Maybe eat some stuff, drink a beer. I want pizza. I don't know, let's see where our day takes us. That is called the Arc of Dreams. Pretty rad. That is called a whiny dog. Buddy, you did such a good job. You were quiet. You did such a good job. Queen City Brewing. Popping in there. It's nice. I got no food. Not yet. We have a bridge to cross. I have an idea. Wyatt, you ready? Come on, let's run. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Let's run. Come on. It's working. You did it. All right, we found a workaround. So here's another Sioux Falls fun fact for you. They have a life-size replica of Michelangelo's David. Wiener and all. That's pretty cool. Are you excited? Yeah. Okay. Come on. We've officially made it downtown. And what a nice little downtown it is. Old buildings, new structures. It's cool. It's got a mix of both. I mean, look at this courthouse. Feels like New York City. Why are you going to the courthouse? Come on. I really like this city. And I don't say that very often. It's got kind of a Charlotte, North Carolina vibe to it without the tall buildings. Maybe a little bit of Knoxville, Tennessee. I don't know. It's just got a lot of art. It's got a lot of color. It's got a river running right through it. It's just like art is all around. I'm impressed. Sioux Falls. Glad we did this. Now, let's go judge them on their food. We are in South Dakota. It's a state filled with bland whites. Usually not good food. So, there's a brewery nearby. Actually, there's like 3 of them in town, but I found one that I want to check out, and we're gonna go get some pizza, I think. What's going on, man? Is he okay in here? Yeah. Awesome. Cheers, friends. Okay. We have pepperoni, we have jalapenos, we have hot honey. What do you think, dude? You want a pepperoni? Pepperoni? It's just such a rarity to find a restaurant where you can bring your dog in and chill out. What a great place. Monks. Not a brewery though, but they did have 48 beers on tap. That is wild. In case you're wondering, yes, I did eat that entire pizza. It was so good. He had some pepperonis though. But yes, I killed it. Also, it's 60 degrees and sunshiny. It is so perfect out. What a day for urban exploring. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of done. I'm full, the pizza's getting to me. The 2 beers are getting to me. It was three beers. So welcome back to camp, where we're just gonna chill out and hang out for the rest of the evening. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna do the longest hike of the day. I feel like I've gone through about 15 wardrobe changes today. So this trail goes along what's called Split Rock Creek, which is the creek that's behind our campsite, which you saw a little bit yesterday. Okay, buddy. This feels like B-Rock again in Kentucky. Getting those vibes. I swear, I don't even know why I bother with clean clothes. Thanks a lot, Wyatt. Scaredy cat here made it over the bridge finally. And yes, it's another wardrobe change, but whatever, it's getting hot. But look at the other side. It's called the King and Queens Trail. Look at this. Look at these rock formations. So rad. I love it here. What a day. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. It's a good day. It's a real good day. It's a good day. Tomorrow's gonna be better. Vandal's transmission always goes bad. Something goes bad with the transmission when we get to South Dakota. I don't know what it is. And this year is no different.
And that, friends, is a story for another day. Thank you all so much for hanging out with us as we explored Sioux Falls. If you like this sort of content, hit that like button, give us a comment, and we'll see you on the next one, where we try to make it to Badlands National Park. Until then, be kind always, and keep exploring life with an open mind.
Never not, never under yard, never ever, I'm forever on. Check my repertoire, check my repertoire, don't check me not. Let's just checks involved. I've been feeling like I'm next to God, next to God, next to God. Never not, never under yard, never ever, I'm forever on. Check my repertoire, don't check me not. Let's just checks involved. I've been feeling like I'm next to God, next to God, next to God. Never fold, never ever fold, never ever stone a rolling stone till I'm in Rolling Stone. Bet I'm close to gold, need a place, need a safer bank. I've been saving change, I need some space. Chatting in my face, get from around my way. Hey, what you saying, where you at now? I swear that once I leave my city, never coming back down. Wait from pushing tapes to glowing up around the map now. Real hot summer, keep my